Today I'm going to teach you how to make a solid candy cube, just like this one. So let's get started. You will need elastic stretch cord, scissors, and pony beads. First we're going to take our string and we are going to add on 8 beads. We're going to tie a knot. Then we are going to make sure our 4 corners are popping out like this. So the end of our string should be coming out of one of these corners like this. We're going to add on 3 beads. We're going to do this to all 4 sides. Once you get to the last one, we're actually going to take our little tail that we tied the knot with and we'll tie these 2 together. So it should look like this. You should have your little diamond in the middle with 4 points on it. I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the extra string. So to make a cube, we are going to make 6 of these. So now we're going to take a small piece of string. We are going to add on 3 of these squares. This. And we are going to tie them together. We're going to take our scissors and cut off the extra. Now you can see 3 of these points are together on the cube. Another piece of string. We're going to go through this corner, this corner, that. We're going to add on a different corner. Now we have 3 on here and we're going to tie this together as well. Take our scissors and cut off the extra. So it looks like this. Now we're going to connect this corner and this corner. So on to blue, on to green, then let's add another one. So we've got 3 again. Put off the extra. So let's connect these 3 corners together. So into green, into pink, and into orange. Cut off the extra. And last but not least is the 4 corners for yellow. We do blue, orange, we add the yellow, and do this for the remaining 3 corners. Here we go, and you have successfully made a solid candy cube. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe so you see when I upload new videos. Be sure to give this video a like, and check out my website, gingercandytutorials.com. I have a bunch of cool candy kid clothing and items. I also have more information about my tutorials and this tutorial up there as well. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.